I did get the bulbs, as I told you guys. So I'm gonna put those in so we can test out the light this morning. The person did confirm that they're picking up the table, so I got most of the screws out of the bottom so they can just lift the tabletop out. Also, somebody else from Facebook Marketplace wanted to purchase some wall decor that I had, so I'm gonna leave that on the porch for them. So we're making some strides, and yeah. Today they're going to finish the paint up here, as we talked about yesterday, and probably also here, because I feel like this is just the primer. It doesn't look like a full coat to me, and he seems to be a perfectionist. And these are the chairs that go with the table, so I'm putting it there in case she comes before I get home, but it's easy to just take it out. And I'll probably move the table parts over here because I don't want to be in their way of painting while we're trying to get rid of stuff. But I love that we were able to take this out of there because now I can see the window again. Now I can see the light coming in. Things aren't standing up tall. What I probably will do later is go ahead and take pictures of that armoire and post that on Facebook Marketplace too. That way there's fewer things to have to navigate when we are getting the floors done. All right, guys, let's try these light bulbs real quick. All right, this is a 6-pack. Check it properly. This is the E12 bulb. So I'll just go in here. Oh, Lord. Why isn't it going in there? This was the right bulb. Okay, there we go. Just gotta get it just right. This is a 6-pack, but there are only 5 bulbs in here. So we'll have one in reserve. About this. It's not that I hated the other one, but I was tired of it. Okay. 2 more to go. We can hit the switch. Okay. It's weird because I can't see. One more. Last one. You guys are ready? All right, let's turn it on. Nice, nice. Loving the vibes, y'all. Loving the vibes. Isn't it cute? Oh yeah, I like it better turned on. Very nice. Looking good. We're on our way. All right, also guys, I just laid everything out that I showed you guys last night on the counter so I can go over everything with him. Doesn't really need to worry about this curtain rod. I mean, we can do that, but I want him to be able to see the light. I already put it together. That's all the globes on there. You can get a better look of how that's gonna look. I put the towel bar together, and I didn't put, you know, obviously this has to hook once those 2 pieces are there. So I have everything with the directions, the screws here. So I can just let them, oh, I also went ahead and opened up the mirrors as well, so I can show him these mirrors. So these are the mirrors that will go over each sink, the vanity. I'm hoping that it will be, I mean, because the vanity is a little taller than the previous one. So I think this will be fine where it'll be tall enough to be seen. And, no, well, it won't conflict with the light. That's my only thing. I don't want to be too tall where the light gets in the way. But yeah, we'll see what he has to say. Or they have to say, because it is him and his wife. All right, guys. What up, what up? Okay, that's too much. the mirror you took down? I don't want that. I have 2 new mirrors. They're like, oh, because we asked her husband, and he said yes. I said, yeah. Project manager over here. Clueless, okay? Not that I haven't told him, but whether or not this is something he's interested in right now or cares about, no. So I was like, okay, in addition to that, they were a little concerned when they looked at the mirrors though, because they looked really tall. They're like, I don't know, because the vanity you have is a little taller than the one you had before, and all these other things. So we went upstairs. They're like, let's try right now. We went upstairs and measured everything, and there was a little bit, because we wanted to make sure it didn't interfere with the light, right? Measured everything. There was a few inches, so it was perfect because it's 36 inches tall, and I think there's like 41 inches we had to play with. So to be just slightly above the backsplash of the vanity and right below the light, I'm fine with that. Like, I don't need to see a lot of wall, right? As a matter of fact, previously the whole thing was a mirror, so you weren't seeing anything anyway. So I'm glad we measured that out. They were also said they were glad to know about the other things, because now they can prep the wall, which is what I was hoping, for the new towel bar as well as the new paper towel holder. So I was excited about that. I hope this is no extra or anything like that, because I don't know. I don't think I was necessarily explicit, but I just figured you take something off, you'll put something back. It doesn't matter if it's the old thing or the new thing, but we'll see how that works out. But I hope it all washes out, because you know how we're replacing all of those globe lights in the ceiling. He was asking me, what do you plan to do with those? So, I mean, I was going to put them on Facebook Marketplace. I mean, we'll see. I don't have any plan for them. But he asked, I said, oh, do you want them? Because somebody's asking, it's usually because they want it, right? I was like, oh, did you want them? He's like, well, I was thinking, my church could use some. So I was like, oh, sure. I said, do you want the others too? He's like, oh, the 3 upstairs, you want me to change them? So it was almost like, I change them out for you. Can I get the old ones? And I'm like, sure, it works for me. Like, hey, that means they'll get out of there. I also told him, do you want the one from the dining room, from the kitchenette as well? You can have that too. He's like, okay, yeah. It's always good to have. So I'm like, hey, let's help each other out, right? That's my thought process. All right, we'll talk. Whew. All right, guys, we are home. I was chatting away in the car. That's why you didn't hear from me there. But here we are. Let's see. Oh, the table is gone, as you can see. So that did sell. And I'm happy about that, because there's less space over there. Okay, so these are the white walls. All right, now we can see it all the way up. It's so funny because when we moved here, initially, everything was white. We're like, everything is too white. Now here we are, going back to the white. But yeah, that's it. It's white now. And I'm just imagining the floors, which are lighter than this. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. All right, let's see how it looks, because we saw some of this yesterday, but let's see how it looks on the lamp. Wow, it's funny. Yeah, it looks so much brighter going. And the thing about it is the carpet looks so much dingier now that there's this white wall. Oh yeah, he put up all of the light fixtures. All of the light fixtures are changed out now. This, guys, is why I didn't want to do carpet again. I'm sorry. I mean, granted, we could have gotten something, but I don't want to deal with how dirty carpet can get. Letting it air out. Here it is. Here is our white hallway. And all of our new lighting up here. Oh, I see. It was the glow part was so much bigger that it left a little bit of a ring around there. So I'll probably have to get like a magic eraser or something. All right. I like it though. It's looking airier. It almost makes me want to change the doors now. See how the beige doors? Okay, and then, yep. Now that I went over everything, oh, the light is gone. I'm like, where's the light? So they took it down to prep for the light fixture that I showed them this morning. They took down the towel, paper towel, not paper towel, toilet paper roll, and also this roll because they knew new ones are coming. And what they were explaining to me today is that since this vanity doesn't like flush up against the wall like the other one, they have to make sure that this wall looks good. Make sure this wall looks good because it will be visible now, whereas before it was not. So this is what they plan to do tomorrow. And that's all for them. Yeah, hallway looks good. All right, guys, I'm really excited. Ah, yes. It's feeling crisper. It's like a fresh start. That's how it feels, like a fresh start. I'm happy with the color and everything. Look at all that snow out there, guys. Look at all this snow. You guys still have a lot of snow where you are? I mean, like... All right, guys, so I let the sun go down a little bit and I'm looking at the color now without the daylight. I definitely think, because I was saying to myself, why didn't I think I just said this, why didn't I just use the same color that we had in the kitchen since it's so open, and this is obviously a little brighter. I'm not mad at the brightness. It does make me feel like I want to paint the trim, even the door and everything else. But that's definitely something that hubby can do. I'm not too concerned about it. I don't regret the color. I just said to myself, I don't know why I didn't think about just, well, I think I thought it was the same thing, but this one's definitely a brighter white, which I don't mind because I was thinking about when we have the new banister, is going to be brighter. So I kind of definitely wanted to match that. But yeah, I'm getting used to it. It's not as huge of an adjustment as I thought. I think as time goes on, it's going to like hit that, wow, this is different. I think the office is a major difference. I think the hallway, I adjusted to very quickly. I adjusted to it very quickly. I'm really excited about it. I just took pictures of the armoire. I wanted to do that before it got too late. I'm going to try to post that on Facebook Marketplace because, like you guys have heard me say a million times, the goal is not to have to move so many things when it's time for the flooring. All right, guys, that is day number 5 in the books. 6 in the books. Yes, day number 6. They did 2 last week. This is the 4th day, and they'll be back tomorrow to finish up with the bathroom. I think once I see the bathroom, that really will be the grand finale for me, because that new paint color, the scene of the crime, all of that stuff will kind of be wrapped up. So yeah, I don't know if you guys have been noticing my style all week, but it's finally going down. Praise the Lord. Try not to mess with it. But yeah, just getting used to all these new colors around me, the new lighting. I was so happy that even with the lights and them being able to use them, I think he said he wanted to give them to his church. Or I'm just happy that some of the stuff we were able to give away, some stuff we're able to sell to kind of buy other things is coming together. This whole process has been pretty smooth. Now we are still waiting on the check back from the mortgage company. I thought it was in the mail. I've not seen it yet. So really hoping that comes in so that we can settle that up. But yeah, day 6 is in books. We'll see you tomorrow. Can't wait for tomorrow. That's supposedly their last day here. So that'll be the end of this home repair series for a little bit until it's time for the flooring to come in. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.